So people got to know from our stories that we are in this specific area, and they recognize it from the pictures itself. So people started sending us home cooked meals for our volunteers because they realized हमें खाना नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ पे. So it's like everyone's together. There are plenty. I was in Uttarakhand 2 days ago, but if somebody wants to have water in that district, you need to wait for 4 hours. There is no oxygen there. तो अगर मेरे को पानी पीना है, I'll have to get it from Dehradun. Imagine. There are no medicines over there. There's no medicine like paracetamol. I went to the remote areas वहाँ पे खाना नहीं है. So the situation what we are seeing on social media is quite different from what is on ground zero. No one's highlighting it because they know it will give a bad image to the entire nation that लोगों के पास खाना नहीं है, दवाइयाँ नहीं है. We don't have masks, oxygen masks. So in the entire district there were 3 oxygen masks in the entire district. और किसी को भी नहीं पता. No one even knows about it. क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई जाता ही नहीं, वहाँ पे रोड ही नहीं है. You can't expect people to know about it because obviously the media won't go there as well because it's so remote. So the situation on ground is very different from what we are seeing on our phones. हमें लग रहा है it's all improving, but no one's covering the news of all these remote areas. So in Uttarakhand itself, when we reached वहाँ पे, so you can only shops open only for 2 hours in the morning from 8 to 10, and खाना वहाँ पे है नहीं, to be honest. Everything's closed. So people got to know from our stories that we are in this specific area, and they recognize it from the pictures itself. So people started sending us home cooked meals for our volunteers because they realized हमें खाना नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ पे. So it's like everyone's together. We often say that we actually start blaming people, but when you realize on ground everyone's together, people are cooking meals at their homes and they're giving it to us because they know that we're working constantly. हमारे पास खाने का टाइम नहीं है, खाना बनाने का टाइम नहीं है, और खाना मिल भी नहीं रहा है बाहर से. We can't even order anything. So we were actually blessed to have a lot of local support, and people were coming from places. Someone drove 30 minutes just to give us food at night. So this is something which you won't ever experience, and this is once in a lifetime opportunity. You can't receive so much of love in a regular day. You won't expect someone to drive all the way 30 minutes in a chota town to actually get food for you. Support us and everyone working on ground as much as possible, because it's not me doing it, it's not Hemkund Foundation doing it. ये आप लोग ही करवा रहे हो हमसे. We just a zaria, I would say. So it's all of you who are constantly supporting us, and we're simply executing it on ground zero. So continue supporting us, and this is here. Unfortunately, it's here to stay. The third wave is also predicted, so we will require everyone to stay together. And if you do want to serve others, it's the time. It's simply now or never. ज़्यादा late अगर हम हो गए, we won't be able to do a lot. So it's all about the essence of time over here. कि how quick you react. Stay at home. Don't step out. But जिसने step out करना है, make sure you're actually making a difference on ground.